Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a never-ending to-do list? Struggling to keep track of projects, tasks, and deadlines? So you're not alone. Millions of people around the world have turned to project management tools to help them stay organized and productive. But with so many options available, it can be tough to decide which one is right for you. Today, we're going to dive into one of the most popular tools out there, Trello. Is Trello still relevant in today's fast-paced world? Let's find out. Trello first hit the scene in 2010, offering a simple yet effective way to visualize and manage projects. This Kanban-style interface made it easy for teams of all sizes to collaborate and track progress. Over the years, Trello has grown in popularity, becoming a staple for individuals, students, and businesses alike. But with the rise of newer tools and features, many people are wondering if Trello is still the best option. 1. Trello's core features. Kanban boards. The foundation of Trello is its flexible Kanban boards, where you can create lists, columns, and cards, tasks, to represent different stages of your workflow. Cards. Each card can be customized with labels, due dates, attachments, and more, making it easy to add context and keep track of important details. Lists. Organize your cards into lists to represent different stages of your project, such as to do, in progress, and done. Power UPS. Trello's power-ups allow you to extend its functionality with features like voting, calendar views, and integrations with other tools. 2. Trello's strengths. Simplicity. Trello's intuitive interface makes it easy to learn and use, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Flexibility. Trello can be adapted to fit a wide range of project management styles, from personal to team-based. Collaboration. Trello's real-time collaboration features make it easy for teams to work together on projects, regardless of their location. Free plan. Trello offers a free plan with basic features, making it accessible to users on a budget. 3. Trello's weaknesses. Limited customization. While Trello offers some customization options, it may not be as flexible as some users would like. Lack of advanced features. Compared to some of its competitors, Trello may be missing some advanced features, such as resource management and time tracking. Steeper learning curve for complex projects. While Trello is easy to learn for basic tasks, it may require a steeper learning curve for complex projects with many moving parts. 4. Is Trello still relevant? The rise of competitors. In recent years, several new project management tools have emerged, offering features that Trello may lack. Some of the most popular competitors include Asana, Monday.com, and Jira. Trello's continued evolution. Despite the competition, Trello has continued to evolve and improve. The company has introduced new features and integrations to keep up with the changing needs of its users. Trello's niche. While Trello may not be the best fit for every project, it still has a strong niche in the market. Its simplicity, flexibility, and collaboration features make it an excellent choice for teams that need a straightforward tool to manage their projects. 5. When to use Trello. Small to medium-sized projects. Trello is well suited for small to medium-sized projects that don't require a high degree of complexity. Teams that value simplicity. If your team values simplicity and ease of use, Trello is a great option. Projects that require collaboration. Trello's real-time collaboration features make it a good choice for projects that involve multiple team members. 6. Alternatives to Trello. Asana. Asana offers a more robust set of features than Trello, including advanced reporting and resource management. Monday.com. Monday.com is highly customizable and offers a wide range of templates for different project types. Jira. Jira is a popular choice for software development teams, offering features such as issue tracking, bug management, and agile planning. Conclusion. So, is Trello still popular? The answer is yes, but it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences when deciding whether it's the right tool for you. Trello's simplicity, flexibility, and collaboration features make it a great option for many users, but it may not be the best choice for everyone. If you're looking for a powerful project management tool with advanced features, you may want to explore some of the alternatives we discussed. Ultimately, The best way to determine if Trello is right for you is to try it out and see if it meets your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.